So the radio now after installed says telecommunications aid. If yours does this, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to fix it today. First off, if you need to enter your radio code, just put it in reverse, and you can put your radio code in. So what it is, reverse bypasses tele aid. So we got that issue. This is actually pretty common with aftermarket radios and all that, so don't panic. You know, not aftermarket radios, but replacement radios for the Mercedes. I dropped my 3D printed key. My hand's too small. Got it. These is 3D printed. They're just universal ones. I can go in here and press these in just like so. Open this up. Just like so. I'm going to pull this out. And all this does is those little sides. Did you see how that did that? Right there. It just locks it in place. It's very simple. You can use a gift card. So if I know what I'm doing here, and I don't, but I'm going to try to wing it. One of these plugs is the telecommunication, and it's to the radio unit, because if you put another one in, it probably worked just fine. So the gray wire is the telecommunication wire, and we're going to hook it into the red hot wire, which is this one. So I need to get this plug out. So I got it tied together, not sorted or cleaned up any yet, not put no sorter on it. I got everything to do it with. I just want to test it, make sure I got it correct, because them wires might not be 100%. Don't say telltale. Oh, security code. Oh, joys. Where's it at? It's muted, so I ain't got it right. So let's try this out. Okay, I got the correct thing. So I'll show you which one it is. I've read a few forums and stuff, and I'll tell you what, they weren't too good. So I cut one wire, I got a repair. So the wires that you need to cut, this is the plug, this is what clips in. Take across, don't pay this no attention. This wasn't the right wire. But this gray wire, and hits in the second row, one over. Right there, do you see it? You can follow it up. And then the hot is directly underneath of it. So this gray wire ties into this hot. So I gotta reconnect this that I cut, because the form wasn't correct on the wires. So gotta do that. And then these little nail marks here on this one, I seen it's wrapped in black tape for some reason. Needs fixed, you know. So I think somebody's been in here before. So that's how you bypass that. So I'm going to get this finished up, because this 10-minute radio flop is turned into chaos, because not only did I have to put a CD player section in it, I have disassembled it, and then I have to deal with this tele-mute bullcrap technology. You think it's pretty good, don't you, till you get something super fancy, and then you got to deal with this crap. So everything's connected, heat shrunk, and sorted. All the repairs on that one wire, and this is repaired. CD player installed in this, because this was without one. Navigation, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and insert everything and test it out. Everything's installed now. That's pretty good.